Ms. Parker. We're going to talk about the cross-curricular project of redesigning the weight room and some of the statistical data and how it was analyzed. I'll let the students introduce themselves and tell you what they did.
My name is Yishana Galvin-Ofor.
And my name is Fatima Lozano.
This is Ms. Parker. We're going to talk about the cross-curricular project of redesigning the weight room and some of the statistical data and how it was analyzed. And I'll let the students introduce themselves and tell you what they did.
My name is Yishana Galvin-Ofor.
And my name is Fatima Lozano.
Basically, we worked with the statistics in the weight room. We basically took all the data we had based on what we swabbed, how many counts there were each day, even or odd, and the average number of counts that we had. So here we have an Excel of the days and how many counts that we had. So we took up those days and we divided the weight room into quadrants, as you can see, like C6A, C6B, and we took the amount of counts that were there. Some of them, there weren't enough counts to be to actually count as actual data, so we left it as TLC, and others had a lot of them, like 300 plus, those are those red ones there. So we put those there so we actually know the average number of counts on those days once we get the data.
Once we got the data, we started to do the math and we made a graph to see. We swabbed on even and odd days and we put the dates in order to show the average of the counts. And these are some graphs that we showed, and we compared through the even and odd days and to see how much average of counts there were. And we did the mean and standard deviation.
Basically with the standard deviation, we showed the space between the mean of the data. That's basically the average amount of space between how many bacterial counts we have per even or odd day.
It was difficult to organize the math between the even and odd day counts, and most of the statistics we didn't take that class yet, so we had to learn the math along the way with our math teacher.
All right, thank you so much for your time.